Okay guys, it's been after about 1 to 2 weeks time. So today my guys are doing the box up, right? The box up for the lights, and let me just show you what they have done so far. Okay, you can see that there's a false ceiling here, and then there's a false ceiling here. Right, the reason for doing this false ceiling is because it's a very old flat, right? And it's at the top level. At the top level, normally on the rooftop there's a gradient. Okay, so the gradient is actually to let the rain fall down the block. So when we remove the walls, okay, the gradient is very obvious. Okay, the difference between here and here is about 3 inches. Okay, so 3 inches, if I were to follow my design for the light boxes, then the gap for the light will be at least 5 to 6 inches, and then it will go down to 2 inches, which I don't think is nice. Okay, so what I advise my client to do is to do a false ceiling here, flatten everything, level up everything, so that the lights coming out from the box will be very consistent. Okay, the gap will be very consistent at 2 inches. Okay, so it's going to be all round. Okay, over here will be the aircon, right? The aircon blower that is blowing towards the living area. Okay, so it will be installed below here, which is also the box up. Right, so the box up goes all around like a picture frame. Okay, because the angle is slightly angled up, right? That one I think you have seen it on the 3D proposal that I showed earlier on. Okay, so it's one round here and entire round here. Okay, this is the dining. The entrance is here. Okay, so the entire space here is dining area, and living is over there. Okay, let me show you a bit of the bathroom. Okay, so there used to be there's one bathroom here, there's one bathroom there. Okay, so I hacked away the wall here so that there's an entrance towards these two bathrooms. Okay, the original WC was here. There's one WC here, but that's being covered up by this shower box. Okay, so over at this side, right, this is another bathroom. Okay, so I keep the WC over here. I box up. There's some piping here, there's some floor piping, so I'm going to box up that. Okay, so if you're wondering what my taller is applying onto this calcium silicate box up, right? It's actually a mixture of chemical cement and W1. W1 is a cement hardener. Okay, so he makes them together and then he applies onto the box up itself. So let it dry. Then after that, he can overlay with the proposed house. Okay, so over here you can see that is the shampoo niche. Okay, the shower mixer is here, so it goes up. And then overhead shower somewhere here. There's going to be a shower screen, and the vanity is over here. Okay. Okay, just a note on the top hung window inside your toilet. Okay, if you are changing the top hung window, okay, make sure that you instruct your window supplier to have a slight protrusion so that the tiles or the wall tiles can be flush. Okay, can be flush with the window frame. Okay, I think that's very important. Right, you don't want the tiles to protrude out or the frame to sink in. Okay, so always remind them to protrude out a bit more, like at least 20 mm, right, 20 to 25. Okay, so that the tiles can actually flush with the window frame. And then take note as well, you can see there's a little opening here. Right, that is because of the window. right? Just in case you need to access or need to change the hinge. So this space allows you to change the hinge in case, right? So all this will be tiled up. Okay. So just always leave a small gap here. Hey, hi guys, it's been about a week or so from the last time I updated. Okay, so today I'm going to show you once this box up have been completed. So based on the design that I've shown you the last time, so this is what the end result is going to be. Okay, so at this entrance here, right, as mentioned, there's going to be one round of this L box, right? It's not L, right? It's slightly slanted. If I can show you here, okay, it's slanted at an angle. So all four sides are slanted at an angle. Okay, so instead of the usual 90-degree L box, right, I slant a little bit, okay, so that it looks more profound. Okay, so at the perimeter of the box, right, there's this LED strip. Okay, so LED strip will light up the entire dining area here, and the same is also for the living area. Okay, it's all round also, and you can see that there's this aircon slot. Okay, for aircon slot, of course I cannot slant the aircon, right? The water flow will have some issue after that, so I did this straight one, so the aircon will be mounted on this panel, and then just protrude out a little bit, and I think everything will look neat and nice. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you this box up that I've completed. Okay, okay, over here in the middle there used to be this thick beam, which is on top, right? Because the sofa is somewhere below this beam, so I've purposely just make it larger, okay, widen it so that it looks more like a false ceiling than a beam. Okay, so all these angles are equal, right, in the middle. Okay, let me see. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you this light box. Okay, so another day I'll just update you with more things. Next week, right, there'll be flooring, right? The flooring will be done, the vinyl floor, and painting, and then of course the carpentry work is coming next week. So stay tuned, update you with more videos.